Yo, we recording. Alright, what's up, guys? As you can see by the P&L, this is how I lost $845 today trading the NASDAQ. Yes, back-to-back losing days. I know most traders don't post their losses, but hey, gotta show them, bro. These are two trades that I liked, and I'm gonna go over it right now. So coming into a market, not gonna lie, I was whoa. Sorry, I haven't looked at these markets. Wow. Um, I was like bearish, right? Until proven wrong or whatever, you know? Because we're just trending slowly down and maybe I should have stuck with that. But I'm pretty sure some of y'all took these longs today or somebody out there. Because look, we're pretty bearish, right? Reacted off this higher time frame gap. I guess you can say that, right? But this nice sweep of liquidity of what was this? New York AM also tapped this fair value gap. Like a nice little sweep. I took it off the 5 minute inverse, as you can see on the higher time frame. Like literally until proven wrong, right? I really loved shorts. Like especially if we reacted off this gap without inversing. Oh my God, what I would have caught this short. And I was gonna take this right here, but I already took two trades, bro. Risk off. I'm gonna be very transparent, bro. I'm 248 from blowing it, not looking at it like that. If it happens, it happens. I'm gonna take the trades I like, bro. But yes, swept liquidity, took out this leg, just like perfect setup. Took a while though, really big inverse. Took it off a smaller time frame inverse off this gap. Let me bring it back. Um, yes, the first trade was off this candle after we inversed this big gap right here. This little 2 minute came down, like failed to go lower. Like we just bought back, failed after inversing. Boom, boom. Finally tested the gap. Nice strong buys. So yeah, I was like, let me take this nice long. Like this looks good to come hit some liquidity up here. Um, break even at this little wick up here. And I guess as you can see, we did we probably swept these and to go lower. Looking back on it, let me go over my next trade. Next trade was kind of like not right after, but I was like, okay, we're buying back again. Like to be honest, looking back, probably not the best setup, bro. In the moment, I liked it. We barely inversed this bearish gap right here, as you can see. Let me take these off, bro. I hate these getting in my way. Um, yes. As you can see, we inverse this 1 minute. I believe my stop was at this little low. I couldn't, bro. Like, I didn't want my stop to be too big. I was already down one, so it was this right here. I would have got stopped either way, but same trade. It was break even at this little eternal. We were slowly making lower highs, whatever you want to call it. But at the moment, I'm like, damn, like we're failing to go lower, bro. After got stopped out once, inverse came down again, then inverse the gap again. Like, it looks good. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it looks good. I liked it in the moment. We already inversed this big gap. I was like, let's, you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to see us go higher. And I guess I just had the wrong draw today. Coming in the market open, I was bearish though. This big 5 minute threw me off, and I was looking for longs after. Looked good. Break even was right here, like just a little scalp, 36 points. Looking back on it, we were dead ass like following the trend. We never displaced above this high. You know, when you always look back on your trade, you're like, damn. Learning lesson. We didn't really displace above this high. We were still reacting off of this. Took out this leg inside of a higher time frame gap. That's what I'm thinking maybe why we went lower. And plus we're just overall kind of like going down. And it did play out. We went down. Um, those are my two trades today. I think they're pretty good trades. If even if we wanted, even if we did come hit this, I feel like we still would have went lower. I want us to come grab some of this. That's why my target was this and not all the way up there. Those are the two longs I took. I could show y'all the stats again. Unfortunate, really close to blowing it. See how this two, you know what? I feel like something I can actually improve on too. This looks crazy. Um, is maybe just sticking so as soon as I lose, hop off the charts, bro. Especially on the Express, I could have avoided two extra losses in the past 2 days. But it presented itself again. I really like that we still bought back, and that's why I took it again, bro. Those are the setups. Like I said, I learn as I go. If I do blow it, next coming days, I blow it, but I'm not gonna speak to existence. I'm gonna take my setups that I like, no matter what. And yeah, just another L day. I'm feeling good, as I could tell. Like I'm chilling, bro. Like it happens. Like it's trading. Like I'm not the market maker. Look at this drop. I love that we're dropping, getting away from all-time highs. Like let's continue, bro. We're really close to highs too. It's actually crazy. Nice drop. Yeah, that's how I lost $845 today. I hope y'all enjoyed this little recap. Let me know what y'all took in the comments. Yeah, bro. I'll see y'all.